Poppy. Hello, Poppy. Hello, Poppy.
Look at that. What did you say to her? Start jumping over that.
She's just spotted that I've got this.
Yeah.
Do you remember who that is?
That's Henry.
Henry
Look at her.
and who's this one here?
Barnaby.
Yep.
Is that Barnaby? God, you know them all. See, he remembers names.
Look
And
what
he
I'm doing.
remembers the sheep better than he remembers people's faces. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at her.
And you're not giving her a smack. What did she do naughty?
Nothing. I'm only giving her a pat.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, she's a good girl. Now remember the other one's got to be nice to the other one as well. To Barnaby and to Stevie, is it? Stevie
Yeah.
behind you?
There's another one coming. Look.
Yeah, Stevie's behind you. There's lots of them, lots of them.
What's that one? What's that one there?
That's,
This one's Stevie.
that's Stevie, the wee one. How long have you been doing the B&B? And
8 years we've been here nearly.
yeah.
Look at that.
Do you want some food?
Look at that.